Hello everyone, welcome again to JIS ePathshala. So friends, in the last video we finished the exercise. So next we have to see some theories. So first of all, parallel lines and transversal. So here two lines are there, M and N, two lines, and these two lines are intersecting by the line L, and different angles are given 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so now friends, here we have to give the names. These angles are called these like this. So angle 1 2 7 and 8. So angle 1 2 7 and 8, 1 2 7 and 8. So these angles are called the exterior angle, and angle 3 4 5 6 जो अंदर के एंगल्स है, these are called the interior angles. Now the next topic, that is the corresponding angles. So which are the corresponding angles? Angle 1 and 5. So angle 1 and 5, these two are corresponding. 2 and 6 are corresponding. 3 and 7 are corresponding. 4 and 8 are the corresponding angles. Now alternate interior angle means these two, 4 and 6 are alternate interior angle, 3 and 5 are alternate interior angle. Okay, alternate exterior angle means 2 and 8, 1 and 7 alternate exterior angle. Now interior angles on the same side interior angles 4 5 3 and 6. So these all are the different names of the angles: corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, interior angle on the both side. So friends, when the two lines are parallel, here given that M and N, two parallel lines are intersecting by the line L, so that at that time we having some properties that we have to follow for these. So we having the properties are that all the corresponding angles means 1 5 2 6 3 7 4 8, these all the corresponding angles are same. Okay, so we have to see that all the corresponding angles are same. Now the next, that is an axiom 6.3. It says that if the transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles is equal. That already we seen that corresponding angles are same in the measurement. Okay, that already we learned. Yes. Now the next, that is the next axiom 6.4. It says that if the transversal intersect two lines such as a pair of the corresponding angles is equal, then two lines are the parallel to each other. तो हम ऐसा भी कह सकते हैं कि if the corresponding angles are same. Okay, axiom 6.3 देखा, उसका रिवर्स है. सो axiom 6.3 में फ्रेंड्स हमने देखा कि अगर दो लाइंस पैरेलल है तो corresponding angles सेम हो गए. बट axiom 6.4 is a reverse of that. If the two corresponding angles, if the corresponding angles are same, then we can say that all these two lines are parallel to each other. If the transversal intersect two lines such as the pair of corresponding angles is equal, then two lines are parallel to each other. Okay. Now the next theorem 6.2 is that, so if a transversal intersect two parallel line, then each pair of the alternate interior angles is equal. Alternate interior angles भी इक्वल हो गए. ओके, अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स हम किसको कहेंगे? सो यहाँ पे हमने देखा 4 and 6 अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स, 3 and 5 अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल, इसको हम बोलेंगे अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स. So our theorem is there, if the two lines are parallel, so alternate interior angles are also same. Okay, we have to prove that. So this theorem we have to prove. So here two lines are there, two parallel lines on AB and CD, and PS is the intersect transversal. Now it is given that we have to prove that BQR is equal to QRC. BQR is equal to QRC means we have to prove that these two angles are same. Okay, so first of all, is AB parallel to CD? AB parallel to CD? Yes, we know that AB and CD both are parallel to each other. So BQR is equal to PQA. So BQR is equal to PQA. Okay, friends, both are opposite angle, vertical opposite angle. Okay, so BQR is equal to PQA. These both are same. यहाँ पे y लिखा है, इनको लिखना है opposite vertices angle. Now the next same BQR means BQR is equal to QRC. QRC पहले हमने ये दोनों को सेम बताया. Now we know that these both are the corresponding angles. So this one is in place of this angle we can write this. So इसकी जगह पे हम ये भी लिख सकते हैं. तो मैंने PQA उसकी जगह पे मैंने लिख दिया QRC. So QRC PQA की जगह पे मैंने लिख दिया QRC. So from equation 1 and 2 we can say that ये दोनों इक्वेशन के ऊपर से हम कह सकते हैं कि PQA is equal to QRC. PQA is equal to QRC. That is proved. PQA is equal to QRC. That is QRC. ये दोनों सेम है. Yes, corresponding angles है. So from these both equation we can say that this angle BQR and QRC both are same. This is our theorem proved. Okay. So from this above theorem we can say that theorem 6.3, if the transversal intersect two lines such that the pairs of alternate interior angles are equal, then the two lines are parallel. जो पहले हमने सीखा था कि if two lines are parallel then interior angles means interior alternate angles are also equal. Now उसका reverse आया, if the alternate interior angles are equal then we can say that the above two lines are parallel. Now the theorem 6.4, if a transversal intersect two parallel lines then each pair of interior angles on the same side are transversal and supplementary. Okay, what ये क्या कह रहा है, again हम read करते हैं. If a transversal intersect two parallel lines then each pair of the interior angles on the same side means ये angle और ये angle, ये दोनों का सम, अगेन सॉरी फ्रेंड्स, ये दोनों का सम होगा 180 डिग्री. इंटीरियर एंगल्स ऑन द सेम साइड, लेफ्ट साइड इंटीरियर एंगल मीन्स ये दोनों का सम होगा 180 डिग्री. इट सेज दैट इट्स अ सप्लीमेंट्री. सो ये दोनों का सम होगा 180 डिग्री. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट थियरम दैट इज द 6.5, if a transversal intersect two lines such that the pair of intersecting angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary, then we can say that these two lines are the parallel. उसका रिवर्स है. ओके, सो वेरी इजी फ्रेंड्स. अभी तक हमने बहुत सारे थियोरम सीखे. सो बेसिक में हम थोड़ा फटाफट इसको रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. ये सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमने देखा द कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स आर सेम मीन्स एंगल 1 and 5 बोथ आर कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग सेम, 2 and 6 आर कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग, दिस 2 आर सेम, 3 and 7 आर सेम, 4 and 8 ऑल आर कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स, दिस ऑल्सो सेम. सो हमने दूसरा देखा alternate interior angles are same. Alternate interior angles means ये 3 and 5 interior angles alternate, 3 and 5 are same, 4 and 6 are also same. तो next हमने सीखा same side interior angles on the same sides are supplementary means 3 plus 6 is equal to 180 degree, 4 plus 5 is equal to 180 degree. So today हमने इतने theorems और exam देखे, ये हमको याद रहना चाहिए. व्हाट आर द कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल, व्हाट आर द अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल, व्हाट आर द अल्टरनेट एक्सटीरियर एंगल, व्हाट आर द ट्रांसवर्सल. ओके, कौन कौन से एंगल सेम होंगे, कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल सेम होंगे, अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स सेम होंगे, इंटीरियर एंगल्स ऑन सेम साइड, दोनों का एडिशन सप्लीमेंट्री होगा मीन्स दोनों का एडिशन होगा 180 डिग्री. सो फ्रेंड्स, हियर वी स्टॉप दैट वीडियो. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल सी द नेक्स्ट थियोरी एंड एवरीथिंग. थैंक यू एवरीवन, हैव अ नाइस डे.